if you work in policy, you see this all of the time. Both sides of the aisle, especially the Democrats, are trying to constantly get other things funded through bills that have nothing to do with what they're trying to get funded. So that is why it is very important to actually read the bills and find out where funding is going to. Abortion is a huge issue on this, where Democrats are constantly trying to fund abortion organizations domestically and overseas through other bills. So if you don't actually read the bills, you don't know what's going on.